Hi everyone, in this beautiful video I'm going to show you how to create a bar slider chart in Excel. So it will be like this. For instance, I have my subjects and marks. So when I change, for instance, English to 55, actually watch here, English, it will just go automatically. So at the end of the video I'm going to show you how to create such a beautiful bar slider chart in Microsoft Excel. So let us start things earlier like this. So you have your this is the data we're going to use. I'll change, for instance, this on 80. So let us start. So what you're required to do is just first select your data, then go to insert, then you can create recommended charts. So what you're required to do is select the bar clustered column chart, this one. So by selecting this one, then press OK. You have it already. So I'll customize it by just giving enough space, removing this, removing the chart title first, then this also the y-axis. So I have it already here, like this one. So another next step is I'll select my chart, then I'll go for the fill, no fill, yes. So upon having no fill, then I'll customize this one here, this bar here, okay. Then I'll customize this bar here, then I'll just say, for instance, I'll just put the color green or this one. Then upon customizing, for instance, this one here, fill, let me put this green here. Then just let me just change the format to this color, put the bevels. Okay, it's loading. Can put this one here, this one. Okay, then the shape effects, let me just put the shape effects, the good ones. Let me keep this one here. Then I go to the other one, which actually I kept fill to no fill. I'll just try to put now to these ones to at least the outline color to make it darker. Weight, I'll give it 3. Then let me get it here. Okay, the shape outline, I'll put black. Yeah, the weight is 3 already. So that's it. So having this, then I'll just now customize. Let me just make it bigger like this. Then now I'll just do the series overlap. So I'll just take this one. I'll select this data for marks. I'll just do the series overlap, format data series. Let me do this format data series. Okay. Format data series, yes. Then the gap width, I'll keep it to 50%. Then the series overlap to 100. So it overlaps inside. So upon having that, then I'll just now select, copy this marks data to have those 2 secondary columns. Copy, then I'll paste it here. Yes, now I have it already. So upon having this, then I'll select now, I'll format again this particular chart, because now I have like a clustered column, then I've just copied on top of it the another column. So I want to keep it so that I can just select to the another axis. So for instance, I'll go to another, I'll select my data like this one here. Select my data. Then let me go to change series chart type. Yeah, this is okay. Change series chart type. So the marks, I'll select now. I want to put those kind of like sliders. I'll go with this one, line with markers. So upon pressing, you see now I have something like this. Then I press OK. So you see I have these markers. So what I'm required to do now, I need to select this line with markers. Then I put the actually no line. That means I don't want only the points. So I have the points. Then I can give them gradient fill. You see, no line. Sorry. So same like this, you're not required to do. I will now keep a custom one to have that particular slider, which is beautiful. Like for instance, this is an oval shape, so I want to put like oval shape sort of. So what I'll create a custom one. For instance, insert, then shapes. I'll just go for the oval one. Then I'll draw here. Yes. Then I'll just give it those visualization, black color, the shape effect. Then I'll give this one here the beaver. See, something like this. So what I require now, I need to copy this inside this chart. So what I'll do, I'll Control C, copy, then I select these markers, then Control V. Wow, bingo, just like that. So we have something like this. So now let us keep the labels. So selecting these markers, then right click, add data labels. Add data labels. So adding data labels, they are somewhere. I want them to put them inside here. So how do you do it? It's just by going to these data labels, select these data labels, then alignment. Let us give them like, I want to give them somewhere where I can text fill. I need to put them in the middle of this. So you can just go to these, these data labels, then change data label shape, format data labels. Yes. So upon formatting, then label position, I can say center. So now they're in the center. Then I can give them different color because they're not visible. I can keep them light, white in color. So it's expanding number. Let us look for the color. This is the text. Where is the? This is fill and line. This is effects, and this is size and properties. Okay, and this is text options. Yeah, here it is. So upon setting the text options, then put the color now to, for instance, white or red. For instance, I'll keep white, for instance. Yeah, then you can, yeah, something like that. Then you can say, yeah, this is it. So you can go to other options like shadow. You can keep the shadow. You can glow. So I think this is enough. So having this now, you have already bar slider chart. So I'll just expand this one. Then I'll change, for instance, chemistry. Maybe go 90%. So observe chemistry here. Wow, voila, just like that. So for instance, history, maybe I got something like 10. See, it goes down. Wow. So you get maybe like 100, goes to 100%. Wow. See, just like that. Interesting. 65. Yeah, so that's it. So that's the bar slider chart. So you can choose to put a to put a to put a title for this. So you can always format it. Chart design and add chart element, then axis title. The axis title. So I'll just put there. We can put subjects here. Subjects. Then you can keep it bold. Then I can add another chart element, axis chart title, for instance, above chart. Then we call it maybe bar slider chart. Then keep it bold. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, can underline it just for visual, keeping it beautiful like that. Then I'll just maximize it. Yeah, so delete this and go to suggestion. So that's it. So this is the bar slider chart. So you can share with your mathematics teacher, your chemistry teacher, your mechanics teacher, that you have all these grades, but they're all presented in your beautiful bar slide chart. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you a lot.